Here we've got Realme X50 Pro 5G, and let me show you how to activate and use Talkback on the following device. So first of all, you have to open list of all apps, go to the settings then, now locate and open additional settings and mark accessibility. Now under screen reader you will find Talkback, and if you'd like to activate it, just tap on this switcher. And now give all needed permissions by tapping on OK. And here you can go with the whole tutorial, but basically all you have to know is written here, so just listen to it.
When Talkback is on, it provides spoken feedback so that you can use your device without looking at the screen. This can be helpful for people who are blind or have low vision. To navigate using Talkback, swipe right or left to move between items. Double tap to activate an item. Drag 2 fingers to scroll. To turn off Talkback, tap the switch. You will see a green outline. Double tap the switch. On the confirmation message, tap OK. Then double tap OK.
And that's it. So basically all you need to know is that you have to mark particular icon once and then double tap to select. If you'd like to close Talkback, just mark it, select Talkback, click twice and select off. And that's it. This is how you can activate and deactivate Talkback in your Realme X50 Pro 5G. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.